Isikhungo esibhekelele ukuhamba kwezimoto emgwaqeni, i-Road Traffic Management Corporation, sithi bonke abashayeli bezimoto bengabamba iqhaza eqinisekiseni amaholide aphephile.
Our key message is really that all drivers, when driving in or closer to residential areas, they must reduce speed, be on the lookout for pedestrians, because we're seeing a number of them being knocked down by vehicles at this time of the year.
Inhlangano yamatekisi i-National Taxi Alliance inxusa abashayeli bamatekisi ukuba baziphathe ngendlela efanele.
So in terms of driver behavior, here we're talking about drivers acknowledging as and when they are tired to take the restful breaks, which is after every 200 kilometers. And drivers must also, be of sober habits. And drivers must also refrain from talking loosely and recklessly with passengers. They must respect passengers. And on the overall, just to respect women, children, and the elderly.
I-RTMC ithi abashayeli bamaloli nabo kudingeka baqaphele emgwaqeni.
We are concerned about the high number of accidents that we see happening involving trucks, and we want to make a call to truck operators to exercise better control over their drivers.
Izinhlaka zomthetho zisiqaphile isimo oqinisekisa ukuthi abasebenzisa imigwaqo yakuleli bayawuthobela umthetho.